The Terra Master D5-300C has 5 bays for your hard drives, and these two can be configured into either RAID 0 or RAID 1, and these 3 are individual access. You have to attach the hard drives to this sort of chassis. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach the hard drive to the chassis so you can install the hard drive into this device. So I'm going to be installing the device into bay number 4. I already have a drive here in bay number 5. Before you start, please make sure that you've disconnected the device from electricity. This device itself is easy to open. You just pull the latch from here. That pops open this way, and you can basically just pull out the bay. And basically what we're going to be doing is attaching the hard drive to this bay chassis over here. And you can see where the holes are. Those will correspond beautifully to any standard 3.5-inch drive. So everything you need for this already comes included when you buy the Terra Master, including the screws and the screwdriver that you need. So I'm just going to go ahead and affix the hard drive to the chassis. Now, because the drive is going to be going in like this, with this portion pointing downwards, and the SATA interface is going to be pointing that way, so you want to affix the drive to it this way, and just match the holes, and then just put the screws in. You will need 4 screws. I think these are the holes for other types of drives that have different screw points, but I think a standard SATA drive would only require these 4. And that's it, the drive is ready to plug in. If you look here, there's a little latch that prevents the drive from sliding out once plugged in. So you have to pull this bit out here while installing the drive, and then just push it in slightly. That's it, it's installed. It's that easy. As you can see, that was really easy. I know a lot of people prefer a more plug and play solution. I do as well, without having to use screws, but I don't know, it's not really that difficult. It's just one extra step, and in a way it kind of secures your disc onto the chassis. So I guess that's an extra level of stability and security if you think about it. So the fact that it's attached physically with screws to the chassis means that even if there was an impact on the box, it wouldn't dislodge your hard drive from the connection. So there are some pluses in that. In coming videos, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the various RAID configurations on the Terra Master. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time.